Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find account management settings on your account on Pinterest. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click here and now click settings, now click account management, and that's it. That's how to find the account management settings. Here you can manage it as you want. You can manage your email settings or password settings or account change settings, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.